Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Many a times we are bored with the regular chicken curries that we have every day or we make every day. So today I'm going to show you a chicken curry that is made with yogurt and it's called the Dahi Wala Chicken. I have a kilo of chicken over here, to which I'm going to add a cup of dahi. To this I'm going to add a tablespoon of coriander seed powder, a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of garlic paste, a teaspoon of ginger paste, some salt. I'm going to mix this well, keep it aside while we prepare our gravy. I've already kept a kadai to heat over here. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ghee, and once the ghee melts, I'm going to add some whole spices, which is 1 Star Anise, an inch of cinnamon, 5 cloves and 10 peppercorns. And once these spices leave out their aroma, I'm going to add 3 finely chopped onions and I'm going to saute them till it is translucent. We've sauteed these onions for 5 to 6 minutes and they've become nice and soft. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of ginger paste, half a teaspoon of garlic paste. I have some finely chopped green chillies over here. I have taken about 4 of them, which I'm going to add to this. Just saute it till all the raw smell goes off. And to this I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix this well. And now I'm going to add 2 tomatoes that I have finely chopped. Let's saute this till the oil separates. The tomatoes have gone soft and the oil is also separated. Let's add the marinated chicken. Let's keep the flame on a high and just saute this. We have sauteed the chicken for good 5 to 6 minutes and you can see the ghee is also floating slightly on the top. So let's add a cup of water and cover and cook the chicken till it's done. So while the chicken is cooking, I'm going to saute some onions till they are nice brown and caramelized. So I'm going to take 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I have a large onion that I have sliced here. I'm going to saute this till it's nice and brown. So what we're going to do with these onions is once they're brown and the chicken is done, we're just going to garnish the chicken with this. We have browned the onions. Let's shut the flame and let's wait for the curry to get ready. It's been 15 minutes that we've been cooking this chicken. Let's check if the chicken is done. Yeah, it's ready. Let's remove this chicken in a serving bowl now. So the remaining oil in which we had fried the onions, I've added little chili powder and I'm going to use this for the garnish. So I'm going to garnish it with the onions now. Add some freshly chopped coriander leaves and a little bit of the chili oil. And our Dahi Wala chicken is ready to be served. It goes amazingly well with a steamed rice as well as a paratha. So do try this dish and let me know. For such quick recipes, subscribe to Get Curried.